make my stomach hurt. Do y'all ever like smell those smells, like the stuff that's just too sweet and be like, I'll be like that. Hey, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having a great day. It's your girl Lashonda Capri, and as you can already tell by the title of this video, I'm going to be doing a little haul for you guys. I went to Bath and Body Works, y'all. I have not been to Bath and Body Works in about, I don't know. You know what? Actually, I take that back. I have not been to Bath and Body Works for maybe over 2 months. And 2 months ago when I went, I literally went for a split second. I didn't even buy anything because this lady like started this whole chaos. And, sorry y'all, my alarm. But this lady, she started like this whole chaos and stuff like that. And I had to call security and stuff like that. That's like another story time for another video. But I haven't been to Bath and Body Works to actually buy stuff in about, it's been a while, y'all. Maybe over a year, maybe 2 years. I don't know. It's been a while since I bought stuff from Bath and Body Works. But anyway, so I went to Bath and Body Works the other day. You guys probably already see my Victoria's Secret try on haul. I went the same day as I went to Victoria's Secret. And I went to their semi-annual sale. You know, every year after Christmas and stuff like that, they start to get rid of old inventory and stuff. And guys, your girl used to work at Bath and Body Works a long time ago, like in 2010, 2011. So yeah. But yeah, so I'm gonna be doing a haul for you guys. That's what I'm gonna be doing. I got nothing but soaps because I am addicted to hand soaps. My entire household is. So I was like, let me go ahead and get some hand soap. So looking at my receipt, I got 75% off every single thing that I got. And I take that back. I didn't just get hand soaps. I did get some other little items. 75% off everything. The hand soaps rings up $1.87 each. $1.87, y'all, for hand soaps. Okay? I'm actually going to go back and get some more stuff because I only spent $24. You can't beat it. $24, $26 with tax. So yeah, let's go ahead and jump straight into the video. I'm not gonna hold you guys up. Before I do, make sure you are subscribed to my channel. Thumbs up this video. And guys, thank you so much for supporting my channel. You guys know I always tell you this, it never goes unnoticed. I'm so thankful. My heart is so full. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. So let's go ahead. So I had the little yellow clearance bag that they usually promote, but I guess like my stuff was way too much. It was too heavy, so they had to switch the bag. So yeah. So let's go ahead. So the first one I got is this black cherry Merlot. This is a gentle foaming hand soap. I actually have this in hand sanitizers already, so I kind of already know what it smells like. But I'm gonna smell this. Oh, it's kind of hard to get out. That smells good. Black cherry Merlot. That actually smells pretty good. I like the way it smells. And y'all, these are actually, I spilled a little bit. These are actually $7.50. So I got it for $1.87. You cannot beat it. Black cherry Merlot. So moving on, the next one I got is, y'all, for real, like, I don't know if you guys like this scent, but some people like them strong cinnamon smells, them strong vanilla smells, and sugar cookie smells, like cinnamon bun smell. Y'all, I cannot, like, it make my stomach hurt. Do y'all ever like smell those smells, like the stuff that's just too sweet and be like, I'll be like that. Like, I cannot stand like those sweet, like, I'm not saying I don't like sweet smells. I'm just saying like those very sweet scents, like cinnamon bun mixed with sugar cookie type smells. It's like, I be wanting to like, I cannot. Okay, so this next one is called Frosted Muscalmu. I hope I said that right. Let's smell this. okay, this got like a hint. Oh, that smells so good, y'all. This got like a hint of lime or something. It's got vitamin E, shea extract, aloe, and essential oil. Go try this one. Oh my God. Frosted Moscow Mule smells bomb. That is, ooh, that's so bomb. I got another black cherry Merlot. I mean, why not? $1.87, $1.88, $1.87, however much, you know. And I actually got 2 of those frosted mule ones too. I should have got some more of them. That one smells good, y'all. Okay, let's see. This next one is Crisp Morning Air. Ooh, let's see. Crisp Morning Air. It's like, I feel like it's about to give me those morning vibes. Let's see. Ooh, y'all, this smells so good. Y'all didn't know I got all these good smells. I just saw $1.87, honey, and put them in the bag. You know, ooh, this one smells good. Crisp Morning Air smells bomb. OMG. All right, let's see. Actually, y'all, I got 3 of those. I got 3 of those right there. It says it has fresh pine, Jupiter, and juicy pear. Ooh, that's why it smells good. It has pear in it. I love anything that's like mango, pear, peach, avocado, mint, eucalyptus. I love those scents. Mint and all that. You know, I love those. Let's see what this one is. This one is cucumber verbena, purely clean. I love cucumbers. Let's see. Oh, this one smells so fresh and so pure. Like, OMG, that smells so good. This is bomb. Y'all, I like everything I got so far. And I got 2 of these too. I'm glad I got 2 of those. And you know what? These were actually behind the counter and I was like, can you give me those? Because I didn't see them where the other sale stuff was at. I was like, let me get those. But let's see. Frosted Coconut Snowball. I feel like I should have got 1 more of these. So let's see. Oh, that smells good. But you know what? I was just talking about sweet smells. It kind of got that sweet smell. But the coconut in this kind of balances it. It's got creamy coconut, whipped vanilla, and sugar crystals. So it's kind of sweet, but that coconut like literally balances it out. This is called Frosted Coconut Snowball. I guess this is a part of the Christmas holiday collection. All right, that's it for all the bath soaps. I also got some little Wildflower Home fragrance refill. And I can't, let's see. Oh, I actually can. Oh, y'all, this smells good too. This is Eucalyptus Mint. Eucalyptus Mint. This actually smells pretty good. I like the color. It's like so pretty. Y'all, my alarm keep going off. I'm so sorry about that. For the last one, I got White Eucalyptus and Sage, y'all. If y'all ever burnt the sage and know what sage smells like, some people think sage smells bad. I used to at first. But it actually smells really good. And I feel like this white eucalyptus and sage. Let me see if I can twist it a little bit to smell it. Oh, I should have got some more. I'm going back to get some more of these. White eucalyptus and sage. I am going back to get some of these. And I think I only paid, these were $3, y'all. And these are regular $7.50 as well. These were only $3. So y'all, a total, I got $65.30 off, and I only spent $26.61 all together. Y'all, you can't beat it. And how many items did I get? I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 items total for $24 plus tax, $26. Y'all can't beat it. I'm going back, but I do know that they said you can only get 12. Well, this Bath & Body Works I went to said you can only buy 12 per person at one time. So I was like a little salty about that, but I get it. Share the savings with everybody. So I'm probably gonna go to another one that's closer to my home because I kind of went a little ways to get this because I was already going to another store that was over there. So yeah, that is it, y'all. I'm finna be be wasting all these. I feel like I might have to go back and get some more. Like, I definitely go back. You could not be $1.87 for some freaking hand soaps, y'all. And with the pandemic and coronavirus and stuff like that, I would say for $1.87, y'all better go out and get some soaps and stuff. I mean, why not? Go out and buy some soaps. Go out and buy some soaps and, you know, get your money worth and save some money at the same time. Y'all say $65. $65. Well, y'all, this is the end of this video. I love everything that I bought. Actually, everything that I got smells very good. I'm gonna put it in my bathrooms and stuff. I actually have a lot of soaps right now because I make sure I keep soap in my house and hand sanitizer and stuff like that. We actually shop for this stuff all the time. We love hand soaps and sanitizers in my house. But yeah, that's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave down some positive comments down below. And y'all, if y'all like videos like this, y'all like hauls, let me know down in the comments. I appreciate it. And again, follow me on my Instagram, Lashonda Capri. I will leave it right here on the screen. I also have a Twitter. Everything also, guys, is linked down below in my description area. So if you want to follow me on all my social media platforms, you could do so. And yeah, that's the end of the video. And like I say in all my videos, I hope you guys have a great day and I will see you in my next video. Peace out.